Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit PDF here in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow with the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a PDF here in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process. You can use the Adobe Acrobat Reader, the application for your computer, or the Adobe Acrobat web version, whichever you prefer. Okay? In my case, I'm going to be opening the application, and from here, just have to open the file that you want to edit. You see? There is so many options here, which are recommended tools for you. Add comments, request e-signatures, fill in sign, and of course, edit a PDF. You can modify or add text, images, pages, and more. Click this Use Now option. All right. And from here, I'm just going to click the file itself. Now, this PDF right here is something that is optimized for me to edit here in the platform. You see, you have so many tools available at your disposal here. Number one is going to be the select tool, wherein you can select a specific part of the PDF and put, you see this, a small information here. And from there, you can type in a comment so that if you're working with multiple freelancers, they would be able to know that there is an important comment for this specific file. All right. Another option is, if you highlight again the specific text, you can, you see, there is an option for you to highlight the selected text right here. Right now you can't see it, but we're going to choose a different option. See that? Highlight using the white section. You see? So these are some of the options. You can add a comment or replace the selected text, depending on your preferences right here. Now on this section, you can also insert text. You can choose a different color so it's a lot easier to be seen. Type your text here. Just like that. And of course, choose a different color. Now, you can put in your text. You can use a different one. You can put in, say, for example, 72 for that. There you go. Of course, you can maximize this so that you can see, and you can drag this all the way here, right? You see that now? So many options here editing a PDF. So once you have put in the text right here, you can actually move that. Let's make it a little bit smaller for you guys can see it. You can put it down just a little bit here. After putting in the text and a comment, now it's time to go to this section that says draw. All right. You can simply draw and increase the thickness right here. Maybe use a different color. So you have all these options for you when drawing. For example, I'm going to create maybe a letter like G plus. This is particularly important if you are trying to convey a certain message within the file, especially if you're working with your client. You're pointing out a very important information. Now, not only that, you can also draw in a line. You see this? For example, you want to underline the edit section. Like this is very important. And you can also use the arrow, which if signifying, let's increase the thickness right here, that this text is very urgent to be done by one of your team members. Not only that, you can also put in a rectangle right here, circle. The circle, you can choose a different color for that. You're not limited with the options here. You can put in a text call out. See that? And of course, type in your text call out. So we have that now in place. The text callout is here. After the text callout, you can put in a dot anywhere on this file. You can also put in a circle around here. For example, you want to increase the circle around. I'm gonna drag this around here. If you want to emphasize a specific word or a note or a highlight, a paragraph, if you're working with multiple PDFs, this is very helpful. Really, it's a handy tool for you to emphasize something here. You can put in the cross out if you want. See, there are multiple options for you to edit a PDF here in Adobe Acrobat. For example, this is the final edited version of the PDF. Now, on the left side, you have an option to compress a PDF. You can reduce your PDF file size and control image and font settings. If you do that, it would require you, however, to upgrade to the Adobe Acrobat Pro. All right. You have like 7 days before the to cancel. We have a separate video on how to compress a PDF. We also have an option to redact a PDF. All right. So you might want to check that on our channel. But basically, these are some of your options when you edit your PDF. You also have an option to protect a PDF, which also we have a separate video for that, and the scan in OCR. Now, I'm going to show you another method here on the fill and sign. We have a separate video on how to put a digital signature in your PDF. You might want to check that on our channel. But basically, if I want to add that here, I'm going to put in the this one. See that? This is going to be my digital signature here. If I want to put in my initials, right? Click that, maybe around here. See that? So that's my initials. I'm gonna put it here. So that's that. We have already put in the initials and the signature. Okay, so that's that. Can drag it around here, maybe. Now, after editing all the notes and comments here in your PDF, you might want to go to this option that says Save As. All right. You can save this edited PDF in your computer, or if you can use the Adobe Cloud Storage, just type in your file name. And of course, if you want to add a file storage on Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, you are all welcome to do that here. All right. You also have the option to the menu in the upper left corner. Click on Save As. Save your file again here. And if you want to convert it to different formats, save as text, convert to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you are also welcome to do that. But of course, we have a separate video on how to do it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.